Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and something that is getting pretty intense. If you're a YouTuber or if you have a YouTube account, and if you do content, a lot of people do, just post videos, but also content creators with channels that are monetized like this one. There's a scam going on in Gmail that is pretty intense. It actually is created by AI, takes the image of the Google CEO, and it pretends that the video is an official video from Google that says that there will be changes in monetization. And of course, that means that you have to click on links and then go into enter credentials, which means you could actually lose your Gmail account, your YouTube accounts, because some other, third-party hacker will be getting access to your accounts. So be very careful. I've had that, actually. Seen that happen a few times on my Gmail accounts. And so don't be fooled. These are actually fake. They are created with AI and are simply there to try to basically do a phishing attempt and try to, lure you into their trap. So Google wanted to say, and YouTube also wanted to say, we don't send emails that, contain links that do changes, particularly to your accounts and stuff. We go through YouTube itself, meaning when you go to YouTube, you have the YouTube Studio, and this is where important things are actually talked about, not through a Gmail or an email that is being sent to any of your accounts. So be very careful, be worried that this exists, and that it's extremely important not to fall for it as it tries to lure you. And because it's made by AI, you have the impression that, it's kind of a true Google or YouTube video telling you about changes and using the image of the CEO, which is pretty crazy. And this, I think, is the start of understanding how AI will be used in sophisticated attacks trying to lure you into giving credentials and personal information. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up.